In this video we can talk about top 5 GanttPro alternatives and competitors. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Alternatives channel. Today, in this video, you will explore the popular alternatives to GanttPro, the renowned project management tool. We'll be uncovering the top 5 alternatives of GanttPro, which are Tom's Planner, Instagantt, Agantt, Teamgantt, and Ganttproject that can elevate your project planning game. Introducing the first alternative is Tom's Planner. Tom's Planner is a user-friendly project management tool that simplifies project scheduling through intuitive Gantt charts. Some of its key features like drag-and-drop feature, resource management, and rescheduling. Tom's Planner's commitment to simplicity makes it an ideal choice for small teams and individual users seeking uncomplicated project scheduling. The standout feature of Tom's Planner lies in its simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for those who value a hassle-free project planning experience. Moving on to our second alternative is Instagantt. Instagantt is a web-based Gantt chart tool designed to help project managers and teams efficiently plan, schedule, and manage tasks. It offers features like workload management, task details, and progress tracking. Instagantt's focus on task customization and progress tracking supports data-driven decision-making and enhances overall project control. The standout feature of Instagantt is its comprehensive Gantt chart functionality, allowing teams to plan, manage, and track projects with precision. Next one in our list is Agantt. Instagantt is a web-based Gantt chart tool designed to help project managers and teams efficiently plan, schedule, and manage tasks. It offers features like task overview, teamwork, and rights management. Agantt boasts an uncluttered interface, making it accessible to both new and experienced project managers. The standout feature of Agantt is its clean and uncluttered interface, offering a breath of fresh air for users seeking straightforward project management experience. Our fourth alternative is Teamgantt. Teamgantt is a collaborative project management tool designed to streamline team workflows through visually intuitive Gantt charts. It offers features like drag and drop, portfolio views and reports, reusable templates, and project dependencies. The software helps teams to communicate and collaborate within the platform, reducing the need for external communication tools. One of the standout features of Teamgantt is its intuitive Gantt chart interface, which elegantly combines simplicity and functionality. Last but not the least, we have Ganttproject. Ganttproject is an open-source desktop application designed to facilitate project scheduling and management. It offers features like easy export, collaboration, and regular updates. It's a great choice for individuals and small teams seeking a cost-effective solution. Despite being free and open source, it's equipped with essential project management features to help users plan and track their projects effectively. The standout feature of Ganttproject is its open source model, allowing users to tailor the tool to their requirements without the constraints of a commercial license. Compared to GanttPro, Tom's Planner's unique appeal lies in its intuitive interface that mirrors traditional paper planning methods. Instagantt excels in task-centric project management by providing specialized Gantt chart capabilities. Agantt's minimalist design prioritizes straightforward project coordination, offering an alternative for users who value a clutter-free environment. Teamgantt stands out through its emphasis on real-time collaboration, fostering seamless communication among team members. And Ganttproject's open-source nature allows users to customize and adapt the tool to their specific requirements, a stark contrast to GanttPro's fixed proprietary structure. Among the exceptional alternatives to GanttPro, we would recommend Agantt as the best alternative. Its minimalist design and user-friendly interface make project coordination an effortless endeavor, making it particularly suitable for those who seek a simplified yet effective approach to managing their projects. As we come to the end of this video about the project management alternatives comes to an end, we hope that you grasp the proper information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.